Hi, Steve from Bosch. I'm up in Scotland with the guys from Toolstop. We're looking at the Bosch GCL 250 red laser, which is in a package with the LR6 laser receiver. This is a red laser. It comes with the mounting stand and a ceiling clamp. It also comes with the LR6 laser receiver, which is the right receiver to use this to maximum distance. This has a range of 50 metres. It's a red laser. It has two lines, a horizontal line and a vertical line. And also gives you two plumb points, straight at the bottom, straight at the top. It's designed to be robust, easy to use, so it's got a lot of rubber on the case. It has a gimbal protection inside for when it's being moved, so your gimbal for your laser doesn't rotate too much. Easy to use, it's buttons on the back to change your settings to one laser to two lasers to spots to have an all points on at the same time. And it is also IP54 protected, so there's a certain amount of dust and waterproofness about the machine, which is quite a good bit of it. With this machine, it will be self-leveling, so when it's on its tripod and you use it, it is self-leveling up to 4 degrees. So if your base is 4 degrees out, it will level itself up to 4 degrees, so you're always going to get the horizontal and vertical line. And it is tripod mountable with the tripod mount in the bottom.